Hello, welcome back, friends. So it has been a long since I recorded a video because my schedule was very tight and there was an end term exam, so I was very busy and actually forgot that I had to even uh, record a video. So my apologies for that. And there has been a lot of changes from the last time when I recorded a video. I remember it was the third devlog, and after that I was not able to record and document the things which I've been doing. But okay, I promise I will try my best to record and show more kind of progress. A lot of changes has been done from the previous video, so let's see what are the things which are done. So let's run the program. So as you would be knowing that I'm working on a student management system application. It's fully written in Java and JavaFX with a bit of CSS around. I've been using a library called AtlantaFX for CSS. So this was the main screen, and now this has something called as in it as the notification system built into it. So what this does is whenever the app or the program decides, okay, there's something new, that for example it's saying that some of the students haven't paid the fee, so you can even send a notification and there will be a message that will be sent to each and every student who haven't paid the fee, so that they pay their fee on time. And I don't want them to do so now, so I will just clear the notification and I will just go with an animation. The other thing that now different is there, like when you open up this thing, it has a different layout from the previous time. Now all these things work. Before it was like just a dummy thing, and now there are a lot of new stuff there. Okay, so for example this checkout time is there and it's gonna work. Like when you click in check-in, then there will be a message that will be sent, like the student, like for example if I do a check-in, then you can just see notification that the arrival message has been sent to ed 01, and the time is also noted that this is the time at which the message was sent. And checkout time will also be like when the student will check out and the status will become present. Apart from that, there are situations where if the student by mistake forgot, or maybe something is there to basically do a checkout, then you can manually go and add time into it, at what time this particular student did a checkout, okay, by adding this thing in it. The other thing is something now is that's going to be a new feature there, and that is like if the student whatever topic that was taught, so you can even add a topic that was taught, and that will be sent when you do a checkout. Then that message will be sent, okay, this topic was taught today, something like that. And then we have this homework submitted and non-submitted thing there, okay. And then similarly, if a due amount and balance is there, that is going to be updated. Another thing that is there is this report of how many days the student is present and how many days the student is absent, okay. So this is also a new thing which I have added recently. There's an update in the routine, and I'm currently working on it. Is for now, whoever did this attendance thing, they need to manually go and update for each student the topics that has been taught. But if you want, then you can add a topic for different class, for example class 10th, and that topic will be just like added to each and every student which is there. So this is the routine which is now working. I don't even remember, okay, this was not there last time when I recorded the video. So yeah, there's a little there's a loss of things which are there, I just forgot. And then this thing is the same as was before, like you can add teachers and students. Now one more thing is this fee system is now working perfectly fine. You can go and add whatever, like whoever wants to pay the fee, they can just now go and pay, and then you can basically go and see the progress which is there. Like for example, for the student, September the fee is paid, and the other months maybe it's not paid. And one more now new thing is now this teaching progress, which is there, and you can select the subjects that you want to select. So now it's maths there, and actually I'm working on this part where you will be allowed to conduct a test in this, and the topics that the students is currently doing, the topics which are remaining, and in the subtopics how much progress is there. So yeah, a lot of work needs to be done in this part, and I'm actually currently working on this part. The other thing, the other update which is now there is there's a new chatbot now integrated into this app, and I'm actually integrating it the Telegram app, and it has a similar interface of what we have in WhatsApp web or Telegram web. I'm been trying my best to implement it. For now I was able to add the UI and little bit of the backend is actually in progress, so it's not fully done, but okay, yeah, somewhere very close to it. Even though technically the app can send message to any of the students, but it is happening in an automated way and not via a UI or a manual process, and this is basically to give the ability user to send message manually. So for example, I've added, like if you click to a student, then they will just change and bring this user interface. So for example, if for now the messages are not sent, but it will just send a random message, and like if I send this text, if I enter a text into it, there's a support for emojis that I want to add now. Currently this is also in development, and in sooner or some later videos I will be even adding this. So if I click this send button, then you will see this bubble that pops up there, and there's a reply that also that comes. So this is just a dummy messaging, but if you just keep on like adding like this, you can see that this list you increases, and you have this beautiful looking chat bubbles also appearing to it. Other thing which is added to it now is this 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 is a complete different thing which I have added is calendar, and it's actually a project called JavaFX which I've integrated into my application. A lot of work needs to be done in this. One of the places where I would like to work is to integrate this to a database and basically track each and everything. So for example, if a teacher wants to add up things, they can even add whatever, like the on a particular day some kind of entry they want to add up, then they can even add up a new entry or something like that. So a lot of new features I'm planning. This is the day wise, and then we have a weekly progress, and then monthly, and then we have also got the yearly one also there. So this is the purely the calendar effects application integrated into my app. The other thing that I am there's this new like change like what do you call as a big improvement from the previous video that you've seen is this the database tab. Okay, so now this has been redesigned fully, and there's a table there, and then you can go and manually remove the students, and also go and edit their data, whatever data you want to edit for each and every student if you want to edit their data for time. And you can also go and delete stuff. So if I want to delete a student, I just need to click this, and then if I just press this button, then it will just give you a pop-up and it will ask you if you want to delete. Other thing that was added now is this thing which is called as the lesson planner, and this was something added. So, and it has this thing like to integrate with the calendar properly. Like for example, we are planning to make something so that like if a teacher want to plan the entire session, then they can give a full plan, and then when they go to the calendar app tab, then they can add which day which thing will be done, and then it will be integrated with the student app also. So that I'm actually working on a student app also. I will be showing you someday that thing also. It's an Android application. I will definitely be showing one day how much progress has been done there. So that will be the part of it. Okay, so in this we have different classes that we are dealing with. For now only the mini classes are there, but I mean you can have more classes also. So, and then we have a lot of subjects there. Okay, and like if I go and click on any of them, then I can add a topic. So suppose if I want to add a topic called light, then I can just add a topic called light there. And then this, if I want, then I can add subtopics also there in it. Okay, with an option to delete and as well as an option to edit things which are there. So I would say for now only this much changes are not done. You can even navigate back and forth between these using this breadcrumb UI elements. Okay, and yeah, so for now I would say these are the changes that I have added to it, and I'm actually working heavily on do stuff, which is this improving this thing a lot now, because pretty much the attendance and the fee part is now sorted out. Improving more on fee part, maybe adding more kind of intelligence into it so that it responds properly. There are places where it doesn't work that well. In this I would like to work more so that we basically track each and every student's progress, how much they know and how much they're able to learn and grasp from what's being taught. Other thing is that I would love to add support for AI into my app, and I've been looking some of the videos of on YouTube, and there are many tools available in Java that would also add the ability to implement AI in this application. The most I think so the place where I would like to add AI in this tab only, where it will help me to basically conduct test, basically automate my test process. It will generate questions and it will take test of the student in the student tab, and when the student does the test, then it will basically assess it and then generate a report, and then if the student passes, then move the student to the next topic. So basically automate the process of testing. We have a lot of questions also there, so yeah, that is something I would like to add in the next version of it. So for now I think so only this much is there, and again once more, sorry for not upgrading and not basically updating you guys what I've been doing and not sharing the progress. Please share and like and comment, and also subscribe the channel for more such videos. I would add, or I would try to record more videos of coding and how I've been progressing in this. Probably once in a week I will try my best, even though in this new semester a lot of new topics that I have to study, and those are like new to me, so it's little difficult to manage both the thing. But yeah, I will try my best that I can at least show some progress that's being done. So for now, take care, and yeah, bye bye everyone, and yeah, keep coding.